Morning, morning. How are you? Sayang, you didn't go last night, no? Last night. Sa show. Sige, off.
So, a pleasant morning to everyone and welcome to this meeting attended by all the department heads.
For intervention, we ask all of these in your name. Amen.
May I request everyone to please settle down. To welcome all of us in this activity this morning, may I proudly give you the floor to the chairman of the Committee on Mission Means, the Honorable Jose Rodriguez IV.
Thank you, Mr. Vice Mayor. I'm glad that all of you are here now. We're going to finally finish this revenue code. I think the last time was 2011. Let's try to go through the bullet points lang, and then I will be the one who will... Medyo straightforward naman ito eh. Then of course, I have my own inputs, very minor lang. Of course, all of you are here in case na mako-concern kayo. Kasi syempre, it's hard to call everyone palagi and then we'll have to repeat and repeat. That's why we call this meeting for 2 days na lahat nandito, lahat ng heads. Para kayo na mismo sumagot, diretso na. And then we can finish this in 2 days. Okay? Kaya ba? 2 days? 1 day. Thank you. So I will give the floor to Rana.
Good morning, natutanan. I'm glad nga naapakaroon nga gatapakok na zod nga mauna ni atong isgutan ang product sa ato ang mga suggestion bahin sa amendment sa atong revenue code. Kay importante na zod ni kaadong ato ang 2011 pagod ni atong last na revenue code. So ang ato ang mga changes or mga kanang suggestion or amendment sa ato ang previous kanang revenue code kay ato mangi kanang red ang mga font. So mao ni ang naa sa screen na to ato ang bantayan ng mga red fonts kay mao na si Jay murag gipang amend na to or gipang suggest nga usbon. Unya kanang mo suggest po ko kay basin atong mga panahuna nga pag ang inyong mga proposal is kanang wa pa mo kahuna-huna anja karon naa na injuhang na discover nga angay na to i-insert sa ato ang revenue code. Pili pud mo react nga mga sa mga hitungdan ng mga department. So magsugod ta ani sa ato ang kanang chapter 1 na general provision murag concern man po ni tanan basig na inyong ika-suggest. Unja ang year for 2024 mo pa nagibutan kamo na pud na sa SB
So again, as suggested by the our municipal treasurer, as we go along with the discussion, feel free to interact kung naatay gustong i-clarify para masuhit na ito kanan.
Was Airbnb considered when we made this during the this new revenue code? No, it's not. Let's take note of Airbnb. Go ahead.
House for rent refers to dwelling inhabited by tenants on a lease or other type of rental agreement. Letter K, in refers to an establishment providing accommodations, food and drink, especially for travelers. Tanan ba nga nag-provide of food and drink?
Dilit tanan. Murag na ay murag uban nga purely on accommodation. LSA that will be subject for research. Kanang motel.
Origin of the word motel is motor hotel. That is a place where you can just park your vehicle and stay at the same time.
Motor hotel.
Motor hotel. That's motel. That's not particularly a park.
Hostel.
Hostel is a hospitality hotel.
Hospitality hotel.
Actually, yung lodging is an Airbnb. That's the definition of Airbnb technically. What if we put lodge? I don't know. Can we insert it? Or we just assume that pag sinabi nilang I have an Airbnb business, lodging na yan. Yeah. The way it works is It's you can kasi I have Airbnbs in Manila. We have about 15 rooms. You check into the app. When you arrive, you can check in between 1 day to many years. Depende sa'yo. So let's say gusto mo monthly, iba yung presyo. Habang tumatagal, bumababa yung price. It's technically like that. Walang lobby. And then wala nang phone call, wala nang puro app lang. But it's the same as just an ordinary rental business.
Pero ang nahitabo sa Panglao, mo na sige reklamo ni David Billy sa una kay ang mga Airbnb why ka na wa mo ha permit.
Yes.
Wala
permit. Kasi personal house mo yan eh. And then it's hard to regulate. Diba? Parang you're offering your home. In Japan, the way they did it was they designated itong building lang ang pwede magkaroon ng Airbnb. Bahay bawal. So when you go to Japan or other countries, dapat dun lang sa building na yan. Pero it will also affect the income of our constituents who have Airbnbs in their homes. They don't need to build a building, di ba?
What do we mean, Airbnb?
It's an app. It's an app. Tapos pag binuksan mo yung app, let's say you're going to Boracay. Ayaw mo nang magstay sa hotel. Maghanap ka ng Airbnb. Yung mahahanap mo bahay. Bahay ng taga doon.
Murag homestay.
Homestay, oh. Instead of trying to look for it in Facebook, you're looking for it in Airbnb. In the app. Pero you can also go to Facebook. Ganon din yan. You look for places to stay in Boracay, yung mga bahay ng mga tao doon. Kasi mas mura siya kaysa hotel. Parang gano'n, it just makes it easier. You use the app na lang.
Just like a lodging.
Just like lodging. Lodging naman, you practically look for it walking around siguro, looking at dati Yellow Pages, ngayon I don't know na how they look for lodging. Usually Facebook, internet, gano'n din yan. Kaya lang walang app.
We have here a representative from tourism, please. Please join us. I-orient ko na may palihog, ma'am, kung saan may kuhan gyud, kung saan may buti pasabot ng Airbnb. In your language. Bed and breakfast.
No, it's different. There's no breakfast. You have to do your own breakfast and Airbnb. It's different. B&B is bed and breakfast. That's B&B.
Yeah.
That's B&B.
Pero ito air yung kakayaman.
Anyway, I will have to correct myself that Airbnb, of course, air, bed and breakfast, that's the B&B there. But air, we need to say that you have to use the app because you do not have to go physically there. You can just have your reservation through the app. That's Airbnb.
How do we define now lodging?
Lodging,
refers to
Airbnb.
rooms rented out to someone. Usually in the same residence as owner, including Airbnb.
That's exactly Airbnb. Kasi let's say in my house in Manila, paglabas ko, yung 3 rooms namin may nakatirang ibang tao.
So, ayun,
Literally,
Airbnb.
they're living with us. When we eat minsan sabay, doon sila, kami dito.
But the same as lodging, sir.
Same lang siya eh. For me, eh.
It's lodging, yeah, lodging.
It's lodging, eh.
No, lodging, and then we have to define that further. Either after as the owner, before including Airbnb, we have to insert there either locally marketed or through online, including or not including but like Airbnb. Marketed locally or online. Balihan ay parang hindi sir. Either marketed locally or online like Airbnb.
Kung saan man sa tourism, ma'am, allowed pa ba ganito ng motel?
Thanks for coming and see you next week. Nagluluto ng broccoli. Going home na. Oh my God. Say hi. Pretty lady sa Panglao. Handsome big guy Panglao. Whoops. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Sige. 8 to 5:30. Revenue code. Akala namin matatapos in 2 days. Kulang. Magkakaroon pa kami ng isang araw. So 3 days. Hi. Hello. 3 days revenue code and that's it. Uwi na ako. Bukas another whole day for me. Pero hindi naman revenue code, iba naman. Pero whole day rin. Mga hindi naman whole day, mga 10 to 4 or 10 to 5. Hindi na kailangan ng 8.
See you tomorrow.